everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion, and today I have a special guest. This is my 5-year-old son Jaden, and he wanted to do his own little video. So what I did was, for Valentine's Day, he got some things, and then he got a card with $10 inside. So first thing he wanted to do is go to the dollar store. So we went to the dollar store, and I let him pick out some toys, as well as we went to the supermarket here, and they were having a little sale on some Hot Wheel cars, so he got a couple of them. So he split his $10 between the dollar store and the supermarket, and he wanted, so I let him go ahead and do his little unboxing and make his own little video. Now keep in mind, you know, you may have to turn the volume all the way up because he's talking a little low, trying to act all shy and stuff, when we know he's not a shy kid. But yeah, so yeah, this video today is just going to be Jaden doing his little unboxing and telling you about his toys. And I just wanted to come on in and give a little intro so you'll know what's going on with it not being a makeup video. All right, now, you want to say anything?
Hi, this is Jaden here. Today, Mama's going to be to my Boxy Lux.
It's not Boxy Lux this time. We're doing your toy unboxing.
And then my toy unboxing.
You gotta look at the camera.
And then my toys are in there. They're in there in my room. There's cowboys and gecko.
All right, thank you so much to everyone for subscribing. Well, matter of fact, if you have not subscribed already, please do so by hitting that subscribe button, liking our video, and commenting. Thank you so much to everyone that's sticking with me, watching my videos and so forth. And again, thank you for everything. Say bye, Jaden.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey everybody, it's Jane here. Today I'm going to show you my toys. And then I'm going to show you my kite. It's the lightning queen on here. And I just put the kite together and they will fly.
Okay, show the next thing.
Okay, and then my ninja.
Turn it around.
And then my ninja got some things like he can use.
So go ahead, put that down. Show the next one.
And
No, put that back over here. You didn't show that yet.
oh, okay. I'll be ashamed to be like that. and these are his weapons right here. And this is the blue ninja.
Okay, next. Put the stuff you open over there.
Okay. And then I show you my book.
Sticker book.
And my sticker book. That got stickers. Then she'll be right back on the video. I got everything you need. Now what? Now where's my cars? Where's my cars?
Next thing.
Cars. This. Is this my cookbook?
That's your book to put the stickers on.
To put the stickers on?
It's just a little construction book that he usually puts all his stickers on. The other one was filled up, so I had to get another one.
Those are stickers.
Okay, next.
And then we've been waiting for my cards.
Go ahead, you can open.
I had this one was really fast. And then it had some moving things. And then I had to show you this, my motorcycle.
Hold it to the camera so they can see it.
And there is my new motorcycle, but I bought it's got Hot Wheels.
Okay.
And my rocket ship. It got a standard. And do these open?
Next one.
And this has a video on it. And then this is my car. It's really fast. It's actually and these.
One at a time. Turn it around.
And this is my yellow car. It says Hot Wheels and it's everything. And this is my truck. It says Hot Wheels too. These are my other toys. This is like my cars and my mouse machines. And even my trucks.
Is that a truck?
Yeah.
That's not a truck. That's a bus. Who is that?
Miss Fritter.
Miss Fritter. Okay, from Cars 3. All right. Where's your Blaze and the Monster Machine trucks? Okay, good job. And all your other Hot Wheel cars.
And here's some of my Hot Wheel cars. Nope, not Hot Wheel. And this is my blue Hot Wheel car. I always have that. And this is my my Obster car.
Your who?
My Obster Hot Wheels.
You're holding it. You need to hold it like this. Your police car. Very good.
Okay, everybody. I'm finished. Have a good night. Bye.